What's going on? So today we got a video from Crime on Body Cam, and the title of the video is 17-year-old and angry mother arrested after they clash in front of the police. Look, we all know girls are typically daddy's girls, you know what I'm saying? And you got mama's boys, you know what I mean? The moms and daughters be clashing a lot, you know what I'm saying? Especially when they young. When they get older, they kind of get a little bit more, they're more mature and stuff. But when they younger, a lot of times moms and daughters be beefing. But anyway, let's get into it.
Not read
Eat your
no
own
more.
if you can, you
Don't
busters.
read. Don't read. You don't read.
Somewhere with that, man.
Go pop some pussy for a ride home.
You know what? I popped that when I was younger. But guess what? I don't need to do it no more.
On May 28th, 2023, police were called.
What? This is a guy? This is her son talking to her like this? Oh nah. Come on, no way. 17-year-old and angry mother. Oh my goodness.
Not read
Eat your
no
own
more. Don't
if
read.
you can, you
don't
busters.
read. Don't read. You don't read.
Somewhere with that, man.
Go pop some pussy for a ride home.
You know what? I popped that when I was younger. But guess what? I don't need to do it no more.
On May 28th, 2023, police were called by a hotel staff after an intoxicated mother and her son were arguing so much that they couldn't take it anymore.
The department brought these guys in. I guess there was a problem somewhere else. Then they was trying to get a room, but they wouldn't stop arguing long enough for me to check them in. I asked them to leave, and now they're coming back here to other guest rooms. I need them to leave the property. I don't need the problem.
Keep blaming for everything.
It wasn't
These gentlemen ain't really did much. I ain't heard them say much for real.
Look,
They're
all we
being
trying
honest.
to do, all we been trying to do
What
is
you mean?
go
Don't say
home.
we.
You with her? This
Yes.
is our mother. She isn't.
She drunk.
So Sandusky dropped you off.
Dropped
dropped
with
all
her.
of us.
Dropped
All
me
of us.
off,
All of us.
and I said,
No.
you know
Why
what?
she keep saying
Shut
her?
up.
We
And
are her
Look,
kids.
just let her
And
talk.
they
Just let her talk.
cussing me
Just let her talk. Look
out.
how selfish she
How
is.
the fuck are you cussing me out? And I
Where are you trying to get to?
all I was trying to get to was home, and then I said, okay, well, I needed a room.
Okay.
And Sandusky said, okay, we'll drop you off right here. We get in the lobby, he hear, and then you hear him cussing me the fuck out.
You
He
too?
said, you know what? Yeah, I cussed him back out,
You
because
didn't have
that's
to
my
answer me,
son.
Where? Okay.
I live on the west side.
The west side of what?
Cleveland.
Of Cleveland.
Yes.
Okay.
And I'm like, okay, you're my
So,
son, how the fuck are you
I
going
can tell you right now that there are no hotels in Perkins Township that are not sold out.
Understandable, because we tried to get a room, but his mouth everything else up,
All right.
even with this. And I know it did, because before he started talking out of his mouth, and I started talking back to
He
him,
said something to me
he
first.
said, shut the f up, how the right
All right.
here. There you go.
Where are you guys trying to go?
On the west side.
In
I'm
Cleveland?
trying to go there.
We can't get you there.
Right, I'm trying to go there. They can go somewhere else.
See? Why she trying to abandon her own kids that she took
I'm
out
not
here?
trying to abandon you. I don't want your
that's
mouth.
abandonment.
I don't
That's
want your
abandonment.
mouth. I don't want your mouth. Besides beating your ass, I don't want your
So
mouth.
what happened in the city?
I'm trying so hard not to
No,
get
we
this
were
bitch
at
on.
Cedar
I swear to
Point,
God to you, bro.
and he started talking out of his mouth disrespectful like this. You already got a
Can't nobody
case.
take us home.
See, look, watch it.
Do you guys have? The only thing I can think of is a possible hotel back in the city.
I just want to go home without. I want to go
home. Like, I'm tired of being
they're gonna
out
have to go
here.
with you.
I know.
I'm being out here. I'm
Okay.
tired
So,
of being out here.
Officer Collins,
Yeah.
can you?
She got warrants. Yeah, see, look. How does that feel? How does that feel? How does that feel?
I have a
your ID.
warrant from
For $1,000
1996.
bail. For $1,000 bail.
Oh nah, the son is like, oh my god, he on hot. Oh my god. Yo, the son is on, yo, boy. You domed your mama like that? Oh my goodness. Oh boy. Look, the other son walking away. He like, oh god. The other son with the yellow shoes, he like, oh boy. Oh man, this is bad.
I just want to go home without.
I want to go
adults.
home. Like, I'm tired of being
they're gonna
out
have to go with
here.
you.
I know.
I'm being out here. I'm tired of being out here.
It's 1 a.m.
Officer Collins,
on the body cam.
She got warrants. Yeah, see, look. How does that feel? How does that feel? How does that feel?
I have a warrant from
For $1,000
1996.
bail. For $1,000 bail. You see how that feel? See how that feel? That feel harsh, don't it?
Get out my face.
Your own
before I
people throwing you under
kick
the
you in
bus.
your head.
Your own people throwing you under the bus. It don't feel too good, do it?
Get out my face before I kick you in
It
your
don't feel good, do it? It do it. Do it. No, it
I've been
it
trying to
don't.
help
You didn't do that to me a few times.
Okay, well,
What you talk about?
all three.
See what I'm saying?
You're not saying nothing, but
Right.
everybody just it's
All I'm trying to do is go
So,
home.
right.
I'm tired of
It
this
don't
shit, bro. This shit irritating as
See
bro.
how
I'm about to
disrespectful.
move out on the dead nigga. I'm not about to play none of this shit, bro. As soon as I go home, I'm grabbing all my shit and I'm leaving. I'm not playing no games.
She gonna be miserable when we leave, though.
That's
Miserable.
cool.
Y'all be so fucking happy.
Miserable, bro. I'm not
Start
gonna-
crying.
Don't even-
Crying. Literally bawling her f***ing eyes out because we gone. She can't live without us. Literally, she tell us when we y'all leave. Like the f-
All I'm trying to do is go home. And they talking about they can't take us home, all types of shit. I'm trying to just go home. Why? Like, y'all can't just do it.
what's in
Drive
that
us
liquor that she
home.
drank though? Like I just want to
Liquor,
know.
Buster.
I just want to know what's in it. Like you just changed to a whole different person after you didn't got
Yeah.
intoxicated. I don't want to hear. I don't want to hear your explanation. I don't care.
So y'all
It
sit
don't
up
read anything.
That son lit, but he taught his moms like she got an alcohol problem, you know what I'm saying? And people with alcohol problems or drug addictions and stuff like that, you know, she's probably a real sweet lady, not on the bullshit when she's sober. But being drunk, she got her kid. What? Come on, it's 1 a.m. You can look on the body cam. It says 1:02 in the morning. Why are these kids still outside at this time? Like, come on. The one son with the yellow shoes and stuff, like he used to it with moms. He used to it, you know what I'm saying? But he ready to go. Like, he ready to go. The other son, I could tell the one with the yellow shoes, he could get on bullshit, but he more chill. He more, whatever. He just let mom, whatever. But the other one, he more like you're not gonna talk to him any old type of way, and he just gonna be quiet. That's not how that's gonna work. With him, you talk to him crazy or you say something slick, he got a comeback for you too.
Say I told mom do not read.
Eat your
no
own
more. Don't
if
read.
you can, you
don't
busters.
read. Don't read. You don't read.
Going somewhere with that, man.
Go pop some pussy for a ride home.
You know what? I popped that when I was younger. But guess what? I don't need to do it no more. Y'all was no
Hey, listen, if all three of you would shut up, you'd be in a room right now.
Thank you.
Well, that's the thing. You're not going home because none of the three of you will shut up. Is this your mom?
Yeah, that's my mama.
Is this your
Well, I
mom?
don't know. Matter of fact,
Are these your kids?
sweet.
All three of you, shut up. I'm done with it. You would have been in the room by now.
We would have been home.
About the best we can do is take you somewhere that's open 24 hours, and I'm not really sure of one right now. We'd have to find something, but
I understand that.
I'm not, no offense, but I'm not trying to see any three of you the rest of the night, as much as you don't want to see me.
As soon as y'all leave, she gonna abandon us.
She gonna
Well,
leave.
then she's going to go to jail.
Well, you might as well take her now because ain't no stopping
No,
her.
because then you guys are going to go to the DH.
I mean, I'm already
But see,
headed
I
there
don't
anyway.
want to have to.
I'm already headed there anyway. I'm already headed there
What you
anyway.
mean? I'm not more than with that shit.
I'm already headed there anyway.
But they said just I'm trying to disrespect.
When you went by the budget and Best Western stuff,
I'm already
are they
headed there.
pretty
She
packed
keep
down
throwing me
there?
under the bus,
Or you
telling
think
me
they might have some
this and that,
spots?
this and that.
You got somebody coming to the left.
Yeah.
Yeah,
She gonna
Did they
leave
say
us.
that?
both. I guess the budget
She
didn't
said she
sound
gonna
right.
get in the lift and make
So
sure
you
we
got an
don't
hour.
get in there.
Alright,
She been trying to leave us before y'all even got here.
Yeah, because they was disrespectful at Cedar Point.
Well, listen.
You told all
here's
my
how it's
business
gonna be.
to everybody.
You want to go home?
Yeah.
She's gonna ride.
Yeah, we're just trying to figure it out.
Okay.
This from the
to take
wolf
you guys home.
So
But it's not gonna be here for an hour. So
I
I can
got
tell
you.
you right
Yeah.
now, for the next
all
hour,
right, later.
you three are gonna have to get along. I don't care how, but get along.
But every time I call somebody, this motherfucker always this bitch that or whatever.
Okay.
He gonna say
take
something.
that.
Watch.
Listen, it ain't gonna help with you calling him.
He said,
I understand that, but you turn around and
You
say
start
that.
lying, you get
Don't.
You start lying when you get in front of them.
Don't.
You know what?
You start lying when you get in front of them.
Bro,
You make me f***ing sick. I swear to God,
Okay,
you make
listen.
me hate you now.
We're this close
You
to
make me
everybody
f***ing hate
arrested.
you now.
We're this close.
all right, because if I touch him, y'all gonna take me to jail, right?
You're all about to go to jail here in a minute.
Shorty in this bro, shut the f*** up, bro. Damn. Y'all see, I'm trying to go home. I'm the only one that's trying to go home. Y'all keep.
Yeah, he the calmest one. I like bruh right here. Right here, all the way to the far right. Yeah, bruh right here, he calm. He calm, cool, collected. He know deep, but these two, boy, I know they be going at it. She talked reckless about her kid, so he talked reckless. He said, "Go pop some." Oh my God! So he know his mom be in the street. Like this is the type of stuff that she exposing her kids to. How does he know that? You feel me? Like, and she confirmed it. She was like, "I did that when I was younger, but boom, I don't do that no more, whatever." But let's not get it confused. If you low and that rent about to come through, you know what I'm saying? Rent on the first every month. You low, you gonna go out there and pop it. That's a fact. You popping it. So he must know something. Why would he just come? Nobody ain't gonna just no kid or whatever. They might say hurtful things or whatever, but they not gonna say nothing like that unless they've been exposed to that already.
Arguing.
I get you, man.
Irritating.
You've just been standing here.
I
That's
don't
it.
have no ride. I don't have nobody that want to take
knock them
me
the
in.
f out, because you know I knock you the f out. I knock your chest out too.
You see this,
And
right?
you know it.
You trying to pressurize her or something?
So what? I'm going to check.
Alright.
I'm sorry.
Now you're all going. I'm done playing. You can go for disorderly, and then I don't know what's gonna happen with you.
I'm not even. Can y'all just
You guys
take me
can't
home?
keep your mouth shut.
Can y'all take me
You've
home?
been told how many times?
Can y'all take me home?
No, I'm sorry.
Go.
All right, man.
I was already going to jail anyway, but she was going to get me to go to jail.
I hope not the other one. It should just be them two, not the one with the yellow shoes.
Both of them 17.
You 17 too?
Bro, I wanted to go home, bro. Y'all want to all that arguing for no reason. You intoxicated, bro. Alright, this shit. You ain't got that.
Oh my God.
I'm trying to figure out about your 17-year-old son, who you should be worried about.
Nah, you don't even. You don't even care. And you laughing, bro. This shit not.
Resistance disorderly conduct.
Got anything else to say? Sick, poke me.
It's funny, bro. Stop laughing.
No, I'm not.
It's only funny because I was going to go to jail in
Bro,
the
so
first place.
what, bro? I'm not trying to have you go to jail, bro. You see, I'm about to be in handcuffs too, bro. Y'all laughing, bro. This is not funny.
It's a hotel. You guys are causing
I didn't
problems.
do nothing.
You're
I
cussing.
didn't
You won't
touch
stop. You won't stop.
I can cuss all I want to.
Not when it's not when
To my sons.
not when it creates an alarm, an annoyance, or an inconvenience,
But
and also
it's
you're
to my
intoxicated.
sons.
Have a seat.
So that's fine. Where's my purse?
Up front. Who can we call to come get these kids?
Them. How dare you
Alright.
arrest me?
Can you take these two to station? Call the DH. They're gonna probably release him anyways. She's gonna go. I'm gonna take her straight there. I asked who can come pick up these kids. How dare you arrest me? So, call Children's Services.
Okay.
See what we can figure out. They're gonna say, well, they live in Cuyahoga County, and we're gonna be like, we got nowhere for these kids to go.
Okay.
So, can you take care of this side of it, and I'll take care of her?
Yeah.
I'll meet you at the station after I get back down to the He's gonna take you back to our station. We're gonna see what we can do about getting you guys a ride. Okay?
Thank you.
Yeah.
Like I said,
Honestly, that kid, man, that kid's respectful, man. Like he has this kid right here. He has the chance to, do something with his life. You know what I mean? I feel like
I'll meet you at station.
this kid, he's not all the way like you can tell he probably a good kid at heart. You know what I'm saying? But he just going through a lot of bullshit. You know what I'm saying? At home, it's a lot of BS going on. Like, but the other one, he had it for jail. He gonna be in and out. I could already tell the attitude that he got is gonna get worse as he gets older and stuff like that. This one is more chill, calm, cool. Like he more chill. The other one, it wouldn't surprise me if he got into a life of crime, honestly, which sad to say, you know what I'm saying? But just judging by this video right here, it's like day and night between these two brothers.
Try to get back down to the. He's gonna take you back to our station. We're gonna see what we can do about getting you guys a ride. Okay?
Thank you.
Yeah.
like I said, creep. I got an attorney for your ass. What did you want me to do, Mother?
Your jewelry, your jacket, and your shoes.
The audience with us? God damn. I didn't know you were.
I'm not worried about you.
I ain't worried about you.
Okay.
Attorney on deck, though. I got you, Officer Buster.
She was charged with disorderly conduct. Looks like this type of dysfunctional family needs serious therapy or a bit of separation, because the children clearly don't respect her and the mother wants nothing to do with her kids anymore. Do you think they'll end up in a foster?
Yeah. So the mom, man, alcohol got a hold of her, man. I'm sure she's a nice lady when she not all liquored up and stuff like that. But hopefully they get it together, man, because actions like that can strain a relationship. You know what I'm saying? Because, like I was saying in the beginning, moms and daughters, they bicker a lot. It's typically them. Sons and moms are typically close. If they not, there's a disconnect somewhere. It either could be, drugs, alcohol, something on either side. It could be on the son side or it could be on the mom side. You know what I mean? But typically, sons are tight with their moms. And if they not, there's a disconnect somewhere. And it seems like this right here, for the one son to be bickering with her like that, there's a disconnect, like for real. So I think the officers did a pretty good job. Honestly, I give him 4 out of 5. He tried his best, but she wouldn't shut the fuck up. Honestly, that's what's going on. He did his best. They wouldn't shut the fuck up. So it is what it is. Let me know how well you think the officers did in the comment section, and I'll catch you in the next video.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.